Two people. There's your boy Jeff, from Top Tier Details. And today I actually got an interior detail on this Grand Cherokee. It is actually in a pretty rough condition. I don't think it's ever been detailed. I'm gonna take you guys around to see the inside of it. Let's get into it. So while I'm here working on the Jeep Cherokee interior, let's talk about why the interior detailing is way more important than most people think. Because let's be real, the normal people don't understand the difference between a detailer and going to an actual car wash. Did you know the average car interior has more bacteria than a household toilet seat? Yeah, especially in places like steering wheels, cup holders, and seat belts. That's why I always deep clean, not just for the looks, but for health. A clean interior actually improves the air quality you breathe while driving. Detailing also helps your car hold its value. When it's time to sell or trade in, a clean, well-kept interior can bump your price up hundreds, sometimes even thousands. Plus, treating your plastics and leather protects them from cracking and fading, which saves you from expensive repairs later. Trust me. Now here's a fun fact. Most people think vacuuming is enough, but the hidden dirt is in the vents, under the seats, deep in the carpets. That's why extracting is such a game changer. You're not just cleaning what you see, you're pulling out years of buildup. Let me know actually down in the comments what's the dirtiest thing you've ever found in your car. I pull out coins, dirty toys. I pulled out a whole piece of one. I'm not even kidding. I'll pin the funniest one under this video. Another fact, car washes usually take about 10 minutes on the inside, and proper detail takes hours because every single surface gets attention. That's the difference between it looking kind of clean and wow, this feels like a new car. Another detail people don't think about, your car's interior is a first impression when you give someone a ride. Whether it's family, friends, or even a date, a clean interior says a lot about how you take care of your things. I've got a lot more interior and exterior details coming up, SUVs, trucks, even some sports cars. So if you're into transformation like this, make sure to subscribe, like, so you don't miss the next one. Alright guys, and that's the wrap on this Jeep Cherokee interior. Thanks for hanging out with me while I cleaned and dropped some detailed facts. Drop a like if you learned something new, and I'll catch you in the next one, man. Thank you.